Hello dear friends. You are welcome to this channel where health and beauty intertwine in a dance of well-being. Today we delve into the secrets of juice recipes, a fountain of youth in a glass if you will. These concoctions aim to gift you with youthful, wrinkle-free, radiant and glowing skin, all while promoting your overall health and longevity. Of course, before we embark on this journey, a gentle reminder: always consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Now, let's unfurl these secrets together. Our first stop is the humble carrot. Carrots are a treasure trove of vitamins A and C, both of which are essential for skin health. To make a refreshing carrot juice, you will need 2 large carrots, 1 apple, a small piece of ginger, and a dash of lemon juice. Wash and chop the ingredients, pop them in your juicer, and there you have it, a glass of vibrant health. Next, we turn to the powerhouse of antioxidants, the beetroot. Combine 1 medium-sized beetroot, 1 carrot, and 1 apple. This juice not only aids in detoxification but also gives your skin a healthy glow. Our third recipe involves the green goddess, spinach. Rich in iron and other essential nutrients, spinach brings the gift of rejuvenation. Combine a handful of spinach, 1 apple, and a half of a lemon. This mix will help to boost your skin's health and vibrancy. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing the benefits of these juices. Aim to incorporate them into your daily routine and watch as your skin starts to glow with health and vitality. If you do not have enough time for all this, worry not. There are a multitude of ready-made juices available online. Check the video description for links to some of the best offers on the market. We hope you enjoyed our journey into the world of juice recipe secrets. If you did, make sure to like and share this video. We love hearing from you, so leave your comments below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more health and beauty secrets. Thank you for spending your time to watch the video. Wishing you a great day, every day. Also stay blessed, stay radiant, and keep sipping on that health elixir. Thank you.